The Dyson V12 Detect Slim Origin Cordless Vacuum Cleaner redefines the standards of home cleaning with its innovative features and advanced technology. Designed to be the brand's lightest intelligent cordless vacuum yet, it boasts 30% more power and 60 minutes of run time, delivering exceptional performance on various surfaces. Equipped with intelligent sensors and an LCD screen, it adapts power based on debris detected, providing real-time feedback for precise cleaning. With specialized tools for pet hair removal and an advanced filtration system, it ensures a thorough cleaning while maintaining a healthier living environment. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Design and ergonomics. This vacuum cleaner sets a new standard in lightweight design and ergonomic functionality. This vacuum cleaner is engineered for effortless maneuverability and ease of use. Its sleek stick form factor allows for seamless navigation around furniture and tight spaces, while its ability to convert into a handheld vacuum makes it versatile for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery with ease. Number 2. Intelligent cleaning technology. Equipped with advanced sensors, this vacuum cleaner intelligently adapts its power based on the type of debris detected. Its LCD screen provides real-time feedback, displaying total particles picked up, power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining run time, allowing users to clean with precision and efficiency. Number 3. Powerful cleaning performance. With 30% more power than previous models, this vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional cleaning performance on all floor types. It comes with 2 advanced cleaner heads: the fluffy optic cleaner head for gentle yet effective cleaning on hard floors, and the motor bar cleaner head for deep cleaning carpets and detangling long hair and pet hair. Number 4. Specialized tools for pet hair removal. The inclusion of the hair screw tool makes pet hair removal a breeze. Its anti-tangle conical brush bar efficiently removes long hair and pet hair from various surfaces, including pet beds, car seats, and stairs, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Number 5. Advanced filtration system. This vacuum cleaner features an advanced whole machine filtration system that traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air back into your home. This HEPA filtration ensures not only a clean floor, but also a healthier living environment for you and your family. Number 6. Durability and warranty. Constructed from strong materials selected for their durability and lightweight properties, this vacuum cleaner is built to last. Backed by a 2-year warranty and lifetime support of this brand, users can have confidence in the longevity and reliability of their investment. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 9.9 inches length by 9.8 inches width by 49.1 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Dyson V12 Detect Slim Origin Cordless Vacuum Cleaner stands out as a top-tier choice for households seeking efficiency, versatility, and superior cleaning performance. Its lightweight design, intelligent features, and powerful suction make it a valuable addition to any cleaning routine. With specialized tools for pet hair removal and advanced filtration technology, it not only ensures a pristine home, but also promotes a healthier living environment. Backed by the brand's reputation for durability and innovation, this vacuum cleaner offers peace of mind and exceptional value. Overall, this vacuum cleaner sets a new standard for cordless vacuum cleaners, delivering unparalleled convenience and effectiveness. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.